My cousin Jake got married to a lamp last Tuesday. Yes, you heard that right. A lamp. Not a person, a lamp. Now, before you call a psychiatrist, let me explain how this disaster happened. Jake had been married to his wife Kelly for 3 years. They were the perfect couple. Everyone loved them. But Jake had a terrible memory. He forgot birthdays, anniversaries, even his own phone number. One day, Kelly's sister Lisa came to visit from London. Lisa was learning English and asked Jake a simple question. Jake, what preposition do you use with married? Is it married with or married to? Jake panicked. He had no idea. English was his first language, but grammar? That was his worst nightmare. Well, Jake said confidently, you say married with someone. That's how we say it. Lisa wrote it down in her notebook. She trusted Jake completely. After all, he was a native English speaker, right? The next day, Lisa had an important English exam at her university in London via video call. The professor asked, complete this sentence using the correct preposition. My brother has been married blank an artist for 10 years. Lisa smiled. Easy. Thanks to Jake, she knew the answer. She wrote confidently, married with. The professor looked confused. Lisa, that's incorrect. It's married to. In English, we always say married to someone, never married with. Lisa's face turned red. She failed that question. She was furious with Jake. When she came back home, she stormed into the living room. Jake, you told me it's married with. You ruined my exam. Jake laughed nervously. Oh no, I'm so sorry. I mixed it up with married with children. Kelly walked in, shaking her head. Jake, you're hopeless with grammar. You can't even explain your own language correctly. Lisa wasn't satisfied. Prove it. Tell me right now, who are you married to? Jake froze. His brain stopped working. He panicked under pressure. He looked around the room desperately for inspiration. His eyes landed on the beautiful vintage lamp in the corner. Kelly loved that lamp. His brain short-circuited. He blurted out, I'm married to the lamp. Dead silence. Lisa stared. Kelly stared. Even the dog stared. What? Kelly screamed. You're married to a lamp? Not me? Jake realized his terrible mistake. No, I meant I'm married to you. Looking at the lamp, it distracted me. Kelly crossed her arms. Too late, Jake. You just married a lamp. Congratulations. Lisa started laughing so hard she fell on the couch. This is the best English lesson ever. For the next week, Kelly refused to talk to Jake. She only talked to the lamp instead. Good morning, lamp. Did you sleep well? Oh, Jake's talking? Ignore him, lamp. Jake felt like an idiot. He had to win Kelly back. He bought flowers, chocolate, and wrote a card that said, I'm married to you, not with you. Kelly finally smiled. Fine, I forgive you, but you're taking English lessons. No more grammar mistakes, or I'm leaving you for the lamp. Now, Jake studies grammar every day. He knows the difference. Married to, not married with. And the lamp? It sits in the corner, forever remembered as Jake's biggest mistake. If this story made you laugh while learning English, subscribe for more hilarious lessons.